Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back, my dear students. And here we go now to the a new point we'll talk about today. And this point is regarding, let's say, the sum up of the first unit. We'll sum up the first unit here and say about what were in the first unit. So the market is any such person, group, or organization which has, say, which has existing or potential exchange relationships start with the customer and ends with the customer. This is the definition of the market. Uh, let's talk about Philip Kotler and his own definition for the market. So Kotler defined the market as a set of all actual and potential buyers of a product. A set of all actual and potential buyers of a product. The American Marketing Association defined the marketing is defined as organizational function and a set of process for creating, communicating, and delivering value to customers and for managing customers' relationships in a way that benefit the organizations and its stakeholders. Okay, so these are the main meanings of marketing. Second part, we talk about the essential of market, why markets are very essential. So we said here, markets are essential. Why? Markets, the reason the market is essential is that is essentially could be concerned with exchange and trade. Of course, we said marketing is an exchange of needs and wants through trade, through a trade, or through exchange. So you're trying to satisfy the needs and wants in marketing through an exchange. The early process of exchange through the existence of the village markets were exchanged against goods or the barter system. Now, before people invent the money, everything used to go as a barter system. In a barter system, you exchange something in for another thing. Like something is surplus for you and you don't need it anymore, and the other party has something surplus for him and he does not need it anymore. So you and him exchange together those two commodities or those two products. Okay. But since the money was proper developed later, this removed the difficulty of barter exchange and contributions to flourishing of the trade and industry. Also, the Industrial Revolution, which means using the steam engines instead of the manual machines or hand use manuals or the hand use to do the production or to produce. This leads to a big revolution in the production, and we came to an era of mass production. Mass production means large scale production, means huge amount of production. So the shift from the manual production by the hand into the industrial revolution and the steam engines and the start of the automation time and the production increase. Instead, as example of doing one pair of socks by hand, manual, you just press the button and the machine will produce hundreds of thousands of this product in their way to leaving, and they started buying factory-made products. Large markets emerged in cities and towns. Companies and business enterprises came to exist in all shapes. So now there will be more outlets and channel of distribution for the huge amount of products which is sold, which need to be sold. So all this also increased the necessity and the importance of the marketing system. Therefore, today's marketing manager is expected to be or versatile person coordinates several jobs, including marketing research. Look at this now. Look at this now. These are the works of the new market or the modern market manager. What he will do: research, advertising, distribution, and so on. So he's not only responsible about just marketing a good. No, he's responsible about everything from A to Z, regarding from the start of the production, to the handling of the project or service into the final client. So this all goes inside his work. So marketing concept has undergone a great change over a period. Production concept of marketing. We have product concept of marketing. We have selling concept of marketing. We have profit concept of marketing. We have the modern marketing concept, which care about the client. We have the social marketing concept, which means that the product must be friendly, environment friendly. And social market concept means that we have to care about the social points, like the social responsibility and the good image of the company in front of the others. We have different approaches to the marketing, which are the commodity approach, the functional approach, which focus on the product, the managerial approach, the institutional approach, the societal approach, the system approach, and we talk about all this. Then we talk about the differences between the selling and the marketing, and we said both of them are different, totally different. That the selling emphasis or focus on the profit maximization through sales volume, but marketing, no. Marketing, on the other hand, is a broader area, is a function as a whole aim at customer satisfaction. So this care about the customer satisfaction and profit, or a profit through such. So I will do also profit in the marketing concept, but I will do it through the consumer satisfaction. In marketing, the selling efforts are customer oriented, but in selling, the efforts is company oriented. In selling, the focus is on products, while in the marketing, the focus is on our customers' needs. The model of the modern complex marketing system outlines that many institutional participants and facilitates a fair marketing function. Institutions as advertising agencies, marketing research firms, related channels, banking, all those are kind of modern complex marketing system. Show that the marketing job is a compound or a blend of many activities and many kinds of many branches of agencies, marketing research firms, retailing channels, banking, all these cooperate in the marketing itself. Now I'll leave for you a few minutes for going to these questions. We'll take it as an activity. Also, we'll go now to the functions of marketing in the next video. Thank you so much.